Why does my tile crack and how to prevent it? Most cracked tiles are not really tile problems, they're installation or foundation problems. Welcome in, I'm Henry from the Galactic Tiles team. I've spent years learning the best renovation techniques, and now I'm sharing the easiest methods, tile tips, and home improvement secrets to help you build like a pro. Tile is usually chosen because it feels permanent, it is durable, clean, and timeless. So when a tile cracks, the first question is usually, was the tile bad? The truth is, cracked tile is rarely just a surface level issue. Most of the time, the crack you see on top is a symptom of stress happening underneath. Today, we are breaking down why tile cracks, what warning signs to look for, and how to prevent cracks before installation begins. The most common reason tile cracks is movement in the substrate. The substrate is the surface beneath the tile. It could be concrete, plywood, cement board, a mortar bed, or another structural layer. Tile is rigid. It does not flex like wood, vinyl, or carpet. So when the surface below shifts, settles, expands, contracts, or lacks support, the tile absorbs that pressure. One common issue is reflective cracking. That happens when a crack in a concrete slab travels upward through the mortar and into the tile. In simple terms, the tile often cracks because the floor below it moved, not because the tile itself failed. Understanding this helps you fix the real problem. The next major cause is poor installation. Even a high-quality tile can fail if it is installed over a surface that is not flat, clean, dry, stable, or properly prepared. Uneven mortar coverage is a big problem. When mortar is not spread evenly, hollow spots form under the tile. This leads to cracks and broken tiles over time. Those unsupported areas become weak points. Over time, foot traffic, furniture, or a dropped object can crack the tile right where it has no support. This is especially important with large format tile. The larger the tile, the less forgiving the installation becomes. It needs better substrate prep, the right mortar, proper trowel size, and often back buttering for full coverage. Another thing many homeowners do not realize, buildings move. Temperature changes, humidity, sunlight, moisture, and settling all cause materials to expand and contract. Tile needs planned space to handle that movement. That is what movement joints, also called expansion joints, are for. They are flexible joints placed around perimeters, near walls and cabinets, at changes in plane, over control joints, and across large tiled areas. If movement joints are skipped, the tile assembly has nowhere to release stress. Eventually, it may create its own movement joint in the form of a crack. Sometimes the cause is more direct. A dropped pan, heavy tool, appliance foot, or furniture leg can create a sharp point load. If the tile already has a hollow spot underneath, that impact can crack it more easily. Impact cracks often show up as a single damaged tile, a chip, a star-shaped break, or a crack near where something heavy landed. If only one tile is cracked and everything around it is stable, it may be isolated. But if several tiles crack in a line or pattern, that usually points to a bigger substrate or movement issue. Cracked grout is another warning sign. Grout is rigid too. If the floor shifts, flexes, or expands, grout may crack before the tile does. If grout keeps cracking in the same spot after you repair it, do not just keep re-grouting. The real problem may be movement beneath the surface, moisture, poor subfloor preparation, or an installation issue. Re-grouting can improve the look temporarily, but it will not fix the cause. The best way to fix cracked tile is to prevent it before installation starts. First, inspect the subfloor. It should be clean, flat, dry, stable, and structurally sound. Second, never ignore existing concrete cracks. Depending on the condition, an installer may use a crack isolation membrane, uncoupling membrane, or other approved method. For added protection and long-term performance, consider using Schluter Ditra, available at Galactic Tiles or online at galactictiles.com. This innovative uncoupling and waterproofing membrane is specifically designed for ceramic and natural stone tile installations. By creating a flexible interface between the tile covering and the subfloor, Schluter Ditra helps absorb movement stresses that can lead to cracked tiles and grout failure. It also provides waterproofing and vapor management benefits, making it a reliable choice for achieving a durable, professional quality tile installation. Third, Use the right mortar for the tile size, material, and location. Fourth, make sure there is full mortar coverage, especially under large format tile. Fifth, include movement joints. They are not optional. And finally, choose the right tile for the application. Wall tile is not always floor tile, and wet areas need materials that can handle moisture, cleaning, and daily use. Cracked tile is frustrating, but it is also preventable when the right materials, preparation, and installation methods are used. If you are planning a kitchen, bathroom, floor, or full renovation, visit Galactic Tiles online or at our Brooklyn showroom. We can help you compare tile options, understand where each material should be used, and choose finishes that look beautiful and perform well in real life.